Screw it on until it stops. And where is my cup? Okay. Like I said, it's convenient. It even comes with this cup. So you're going to push on the power button and you're going to see the lights come on. This one's got 2 lights, but actually it's total is 4. So once the power comes on, you're going to push the button twice. You're going to see the lights move down. That's when your coffee is starting to brew. And you brew your cup of coffee. It takes about a minute. How long does the coffee take in your coffee maker at home? More than a minute, I think. So, wait for it to finish. You're going to hear a beep when it's finished. Have a little patience. Okay, it beeped and it's done. And you got your cup of coffee.